Here we have Morgan.
Morgan. Who's
6 months old today.
Who's 6 months old? It's you. Hey. What you got there? Is that your good night mood book? It is. Come here. Look at you go, Morgan. Come here. Come here.
Oh my goodness.
Come here. Come here.
She really is getting around.
Come on, show Mom what you did earlier. Yeah.
Oh my. Wow. Oh my God. Gary, she wasn't even doing that earlier today.
She actually made it across the floor quicker than that before. Yeah, good job. Good job, good job, good job. Hi. Hi. You see that mama, don't you? There she is. What do you say? Yeah. Let's try.
One thing this girl will not give you.
Hi. Come on, honey. Come on. Come here, baby. Yeah. Hi. Come here. Come here, sweetie. Yeah. Hey. Oh, now don't get all fussy.
Hi. Hey. I'm tired. Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Oh, mwah. Oh, mwah. Hi. My little honey bunch of noodle. You want to suck on this glass? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Morgan, this is one of the favorite things that you've learned how to do.
Good stuff, huh? Good stuff.
It's a nice cold glass. It makes the gums of your mouth feel good. You know how to get what you want.
Sometimes she's a little demanding.
You can tell she's tired.
Yep. Well, happy 6-month birthday, baby.
6 whole months. They've really flown by. That's a half a year. Look how big you are. Whee! Whee! Boop, 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 boop. Wow! Boop, 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 boop. Ah! Oh man, she's sucking on that pacifier like there's no tomorrow.
Good night, baby.